Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to be explaining Verizon Fios Internet and everything that you need to know about it in 2026. If you are shopping for the home internet, you have probably heard that Fios is one of the fastest and most reliable options available. But what exactly is it? How does it actually work? And why do so many people prefer it over cable internet? Let's break it down in today's video. So the Verizon Fios Internet is a fiber optic home internet service which is provided by Verizon. Instead of using the traditional copper cables like DSL or coax cables like cable internet, Fios uses the fiber optic cables that transmit the data as pulses of light. This technology allows much faster and more stable internet connections. Because of this, Fios can deliver very high speeds with minimal signal loss as compared to the older internet technologies. With Fios, a fiber cable runs directly to your home. Inside your home, a device which is called optical network terminal (ONT) converts the light signals from the fiber cable into the technical signals that your router and the devices can use. Your router then creates a Wi-Fi network so that the phones, laptops, and the smart TVs and the gaming consoles can connect to the internet. This system allows Fios to deliver the fast and the consistent performance for multiple devices at once. Now, one of the biggest advantages of Fios is symmetrical speeds. Most of the fiber plans offer the same download and the upload speed, such as the 300 Mbps download, 300 Mbps upload speed, and so on. So Fios internet plans usually include several other features like unlimited data, low latency, stable speeds even during the peak hours, modern Wi-Fi routers with Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E supports in the newer setups. So Fios, you need to understand that is not available everywhere because fiber networks require physical fiber cables to be installed in the neighborhoods. This service is mainly available in the parts of the Northeast or Mid-Atlantic United States. If fiber infrastructure hasn't been built in your area yet, Verizon may instead offer 5G home internet or LTE home internet as an alternative. So if this video helped you understand the Verizon Fios better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.